got myself a digital timer on eBay, yeah, sure, Amazon. Link will be in the description below. I had one for about 10 years and it finally just went bad. I'm like, well, what's new in the new ones? Absolutely nothing. And I bought this instead of going to my local store because it's easier to give you guys a link. There it came. And the reason I'm using this instead of a Wi-Fi one is because I already have like 150 devices. Cameras, smart plugs, TVs, you name it, plugged into my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi router, which is one of them $700 ones, cannot even handle it, even though it says it's supposed to hold 250 devices. Can't. So for this, it's just running a water pump that kicks on like every 3 hours and runs for 1 minute and shuts off. This is all I need. Is it too bright for you guys? So this is a 7-day timer. In Spanish, same thing. 1,000 watts. I didn't know it was that low. I was hoping it was 1,500 watts, but my pump is only like 25 watts. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see that better now? I keep getting confused with all the other languages. How many amps? Motor. It has a half power motor on it. How many amps can it handle? 15 amp. 3-prong, which I did not know it was a 3-prong. Receptacle 2-prong. I don't really know what I'm reading there. You guys see that? It says 2-prong, 3-prong, whatever. Features 7-day on and off, dusk to dawn function, auto daylight saving times, randomly timing, rechargeable battery backup, 2 3-prong outlets. Oh, that's what's on the outside. Okay, yeah. 1-year warranty, what all it can run. Link will be in the description again. It is a bit bulkier than my last one. Comes with a manual. I'm not even going to open it because it's that. I'm not going to try to make you read it. Actually, oh no! What did I just push? I don't know what I just pushed on my GoPro, but if you guys can read that, pause it, screenshot it. I do like that. It has daylight savings time on it. This paper smells weird. Yeah. I wish you guys could smell that. It smells really weird. Like a factory. Does this thing smell like that? Okay. Looks like there's a master reset button there at the bottom. It does not have any juice in it, so we're gonna have to plug it in. See if the specs are different on the back of it. 15 amp, 1,000 watt. Same thing. Takes regular Phillips to tear it apart if you need. 3-prong on the back, which I was hoping it would only be 2-prong. A lot easier to plug it into stuff, and I'm not running something that's that big. Program time. The buttons feel great. That button actually feels different than the rest. Let's go plug it in for a little bit. Okay. You guys aren't going to be able to see this very good at all. But hopefully you can see it at that distance. I let it charge up for half an hour. Of course it's going to charge more than that. Shouldn't have that big of a battery in it. But it doesn't have a backlight, so it's kind of hard to see. But it looks like it has auto on. Random. Random would be if you want to make it look like you're home. On. Auto on. Random on. Off. So I'm going to probably do random off at the moment. Resume. I don't know what the resume is going to do. It should just resume based on the clock. Clock is even goes by the year. I don't think I really need that, but I'm thinking that's probably the month. Up and down. Oh, it's wanting to know what day of the week it is on that one. Sunday. Oh, that's weird. It knows what day it is. You gotta go forward until it's actually the 17th, but it ain't the... Okay, that's not right at all. What's that? Daylight savings time. Let's turn that off for auto. And the time. The time is 4... Kind of weird because it Yeah, 414. I only had to go up 1 minute. NOR or CEN. Oh, South Central or I don't know what that means. I'm going to leave that NOR. No clue what that is. Can we just go back to... This is not easy to set up. Program 1, program 2, on and off. So that's all simple. Why is this so hard? Time. 2024, 6th month, 18th day, which it says is a Thursday, and it should be Saturday. Daylight savings time. Let's shut that off. 3:15. That's the time. It's still wanting to NOR and 4:07. I don't know. And then 7:53. Don't quite know what all that is, but programming is probably going to be pretty easy. We're going to program up, program Tuesday. Can we make it so it does every single day? There I'm going through the days. There's every single day. There's weekdays. There's only weekends. And then there's back to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's make it for 2 a.m. 8 a.m. Actually 8 p.m. It will not just skip as you hold on it. 8 p.m. That's it. Program 1 off. I want the same thing, but I want it to shut off. You guys probably can't see any of this. I'm sorry, but it's just real simple. Now we're going to want to go 8. The heck is all that? I don't know why it all of a sudden started going into this weird time. I guess I better only go forwards with it. I guess if I read the manual that would help. We want 8:01 for the shut off. Sounds weird, but it's running a pump that I only need on for 1 minute. It drains the dehumidifier. And there. We'll have to see how it does. So program 1 is turn on at 8 o'clock. Program 2 is to shut off at 8:01. That's it. Thanks for watching. I think it's pretty simple. Guess we could see if it clicks. Oh, it won't click because it's not plugged in. Okay, thanks for watching.